What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today we're doing up a quick shout out video. Thank you to Oklahoma Joe. They saw what I was doing with their Bronco, and well, we got to talking, and they wanted to send me a couple goodies as a thank you. First off, they sent me a flag. I got it hanging up here behind the Highland. Thank you again. Next up, they sent me was their bear claws. We're going to shred up some pork, some chicken. It's going to be good eating. Next were these leather gloves. Nice feel, nice quality. We're going to use these up. And finally, the Oklahoma Joe butcher paper. I got a brisket that I'm going to use these on in the next couple weeks. Came in just in time. Thank you again, Oklahoma Joe. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.